Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
I told you all that after this weekend, this struggle will take a new shape. The liberation of Biafra will take a new shape. And we are going to know whether it is not our right to get our freedom. For those who are campaigning for, P2B Nigeria election, nothing. There is no difference between you and Nigeria, okay? You are all one Nigerians, one Nigerianist. There is no difference between you. And if you are not one Nigerianist, there is no difference between you and one Nigerianist. But I want to assure those who believe that they have the right to live, because the reason why you are fighting for Biafra to leave Nigeria is the right to live. I want to assure you today that you see from today, the movement for the liberation of Biafra people from Islamic Caliphate of Nigeria have taken a new dimension. You know, what you don't know is bigger than you. We are going to fight, standing very tall. In a different level. Whenever you see me talking like this, before, when I want to respond to the criminals in the struggle, to the career agitators, I will always come to say, I will go somewhere and come back. Whenever I see that there is a danger, when people want to start attacking me, I will always go somewhere and come back. I say, this time around, Oboro for individuals. This time around, it's not for Ndi Zama, it is not for Ndi criminals, it is not for the career agitators. This time around, it is against the foundation of Nigeria. That evil foundation, the evil entity, the entity that say my people cannot live. I have gone to boutique for them. So I want you to cool down. Forget all these people telling you P2B this, P2B that. We are going to trash P2B this evening. P2B my food. I want to remind all of you, if this is what you call betrayal of Igbo, if this is what you call betrayal of Biafra, I am ready to be called a betrayer. And let me tell you, if it is about me, for the fact, and so long as you stand on Biafra, I will stand with you till the end. It is not going to come from me. The fault and the betraying of your own freedom and your rights to live will never come from Simon Ekpa. Never. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was here with us, I promised him. I said, Onyendu, I will be the last person to disappoint you. You know, don't worry. Before the end of this month, you will be seeing the level of this agitation, where we are going. Go and mark my word. Before the end of this month, you are going to be seeing the new dimension of the struggle, both internationally and locally. I want to assure Biafrans that so long as you want your right to live in Nigeria, Simon Ekpa will be there. And I am ready to take every blame for Biafra to come. I am ready to take every blame, put it on me, that because I see what you don't see. And for that reason, I was the one behind stopping the election in Biafra land. Put it on me. Well, let me tell you, whatever I'm doing and whatever I am saying today is what I believe is for the best interest of the people of Biafra. And I am going to be doing this until Biafra comes. Let me tell you one thing again. During the war, during Biafra Nigeria war, while Ojukwu and others were lamenting and they were giving up, surrendering, almost giving up the war, America was turning around for the favor of Biafra. I don't know how many of you followed me when I was making that exposition. I was reviewing, I was exposing the secret document of the Department of State during the Nigeria-Biafra war. And in the secret document, the communication, America was turning around to support Biafra. But do you know what? Because nobody knew what was going on. Nobody knew what was going on in the mind of Americans. And Nigeria sustained that war through propaganda. Through propaganda and media war. They sustained, they deceived Biafra people and they deceived America. America was turning back to support Biafra. We released the 1902. Fulani have dominated the North. 1902, from the secret document and the secret report of Lord Lugard, it shows Fulani. It did not say Hausa. And these were the lies they have told you for decades. What we know, you don't know it. So I am not moved by the shenanigan of those Nigerians on social media. I am concerned about my own people, those who want to leave Nigeria, those who want to be alive, those who want to have a country where they can be proud of. These are the people I'm talking to. I'm not talking to anybody that is campaigning for P2B or campaigning for election in Nigeria. If the number of those who want to leave Nigeria outnumber your P2B, then you don't have a mouth. You don't have anything to say. So this evening, I have come so that you will know exact reason why you must leave Nigeria. And let me tell you, we have been, we have been making this mistake. Oh, no, they think that, this particular agitation now is the one you will say no election, and then you come to say, okay, let us have election. Or you come and put pressure, you will come and do analysis on this. It's rubbish. I have planned. We have planned. You see this particular year that is coming. We have planned it many years ago. If something did not happen, Biafra will come through this election. And like I said, I got Butike to fight for the freedom of my people. So whenever I come to speak like this, you know that something is behind it. And let me tell you, any day I have come to say I want to fight, you know that that now this time around is not about anybody in the struggle. This time around is about the evil Nigeria government. So it is either you are in or you are out. And like I said, you see that particular blame, put it on me. Let it be in the history. That man standing here fought for Biafra to come with Mazen Amdekan, because he is paying the biggest price now. As I'm talking to you, he is languishing in DSS dungeon. I want to assure Biafrans that those of you at home, don't shake. I am not against you going to get a PVC. I am not. What is my business with PVC? I'm not against you. You can go and get PVC. Go and line up for PVC. It's not my business. But my business is that the Biafra people, we have a template that if you want your freedom and the rights to live in Nigeria, or the rights to exit Nigeria, there is this particular template you must follow. You must follow this instruction. And the instruction is that at no condition will Biafrans allow Nigeria to conduct election in Biafra land, except referendum. Let me tell you, there is nothing you are going to lose that you have never lost in Nigeria. You have lost everything. No amount of pressure and lies that will make you to allow election to take place to validate these criminals and the fraudulent entity. Let me tell you, P2B, even by dashing him presidency, cannot change anything. Where is he going to start from? Is he going to sack all the Fulanis in the military? Is he going to change all the commissioners in police? Is he going to restructure Nigeria? Never. He can never restructure Nigeria alone. For you to restructure Nigeria, you need approval from the National Assembly. And if Fulani have restructured Nigeria, it is you that don't know it. You see the system of Nigeria today? It is rather we fight, they are ready to fight war than to abdicate it. What you don't know is bigger than you. So, my people, the only thing I want to tell you this evening is that forget all the people that are making these are failures. Some people will NSAS. What is NSAS? NSAS are a bunch of failures. People that could not stand the government for 2 weeks, ordinary 2 weeks, they were killing them like chicken. Is it now they want to stand the government? Forget that. The government controls the PVC. The government controls INEC. Fulani control everything.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.